Today on Van Time, we're going to drop the headliner, clean out a mouse nest, and replace the headliner fabric. Hey guys, I got a bit of a mouse smell in my van. I pulled the dash last week and there was no mice in the dash, which was surprising. I starting to think it was up in here in the headliner. And then I noticed a little drip coming from up here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these screws in the front, pull these screws in the back. If you pull these screws going down this overhead cabinet, you can get this screw this way, and then this screw you can get by going between the cabinet that way. Now with that bracket in there removed, all we gotta do is push this panel up out of this holder like that. And you can see the mouse poop pulling out already. Oh my god.
Raining feces.
See, that's my smell. So there it is. Definitely say that's what I was smelling. Our headliner's peeling back a little bit, so we're gonna peel all this off, or all that we can get off, and then recover it with the actual fabric headliner material. All right. Got our adhesive, have our headliner, lay that on a cloth. What I'm gonna do is spray the headliner, move the headliner up onto the roof, then spray the area where the headliner was, then wait a couple of minutes, and then flip the headliner down with this side face down onto the fabric and smooth it out. Headliner's in.
Yeah, it's looking good. Looks really good.
Yeah, I got this trim piece on. It just jams onto the edge. I'm gonna pop in this these scented rodent repellents. I really recommend these. It's basically all just balsam fir oil, and they smell great. So if you do end up smelling it, it's just like a good smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and jam this up into the roof pocket. Get it all screwed back up into place. And if you guys liked watching this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Check out some of my other videos, like these other van videos I've done. And I'll catch you guys next time. Skylight pocket there. I mean the into the roof pocket.
Could poop rain from the sky?